Taking the steering assembly off of this tractor, and ever since we got the tractor, the hydraulic fluid has been milky, and I figured it was because of the boots that sit on top of the shifter. They were bad when we got it, and we replaced those. And I changed the hydraulic fluid, and it was still milky, and I changed the hydraulic fluid again for a second time, and it's still milky. And I found the culprit. I believe the water was getting down in here and going down the shaft all the way down in, because it didn't have the cap on the steering wheel, and water was just collecting and going down there. So when I opened this up, I didn't even open it. When I broke this loose, water came out, a good bit of water too, which was surprising. So if you have milky hydraulic fluid, this would be the place to look. Now I'm going to switch this over. Gotta work this back out this way. Okay, this is out. You can see how milky that is in that area. And in here, to get this shaft off, I'll have to take that bolt off right there, and then this will pull out, and then the whole assembly will come off. Okay. I was just messing around in here. Look, see all the water in there? I was never ever gonna get this all out, so I'm really glad that I'm doing this. See all that water? No wonder. No wonder the hydraulic fluid was milky. There was a ton of water in here. I got that out, the keeper off of it, and now I need to slide this out. There we go. All right, and that's out, and I took all of these off. So this assembly should pop off. And it does. And the gasket looks nice on this. I don't have a gasket. Gasket looks nice on this. This will go right back together. I'm going to probably reuse this gasket and just clean it up and put a layer of sealer on it. Alright, so now that this is off, we'll go ahead and put it over here onto this tractor. I'm going to clean that hydraulic fluid out right there first. So for the reinstall of this, you have to have the steering wheel lined up, and you can move it up here by just spinning this down to where it needs to be, and we'll get that pin installed. Now I also have this is loose, so I can just move I can move the actual steering arm to put it in place, so I'm going to do that. Alright, I got that slid in. Now I'll put the keeper on. Steering seems to work. I'll power it, shut her down, tighten it.